how to buy PWEC token. So I hope this is the right name. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 days ago and increased by 600% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 87%. That's million investment in the safe place. And this token trending number 4 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this our token, click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive with that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because most of issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can go and buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy PWEC token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.